5 generation, thank you ShipOwner. Last 37 years I really took heavy load after Jose Candina. That one, he left this planet only 29 years old and had a fight with that one, Captain Antonio Candina, and so separated agency. Then my late father continued with the company, with the crew management and many other stevedores, shipowner and blah blah blah. And so then I took over when they decided, my late father, to close the company. I said, no way, Jose. Since then we are here, we are a large company now and manage more than 100 ships, more than 2,000 seafarers on board. So then huge database, but now the new generation is starting to help us where I cannot reach with AI. I cannot reach to automate, Copilot, Teams Premium, all these new social media. TikTok is a huge success. And then this video is just to thank you, ShipOwner. It has been a lonely travel these last 37 years, but at last we are having a little light thanks to you, ShipOwner, that the new generation, a family company that is resilient, and it is thanks to you, many family ship owners, and many of you stock exchange, many of you Bitcoin investors, and many of you are in this planet today. So if you're looking for 2026 hints, where are the budgets going, and so just follow the trend of Amazon, just fired HR, a lot of people. We can do that job in your department for half the price because we have 150,000 seafarers and growing 25%. But anyway, this video is just to say thank you. Goodbye.